Donald Trump live. Trump's stunning announcement. Trump latest news live. U.S. News. White House in a shocking turn of events. Former U.S. President Donald Trump has once again taken the political world by storm with a powerful and unexpected announcement made live from his Mar-a-Lago residence. Speaking before a packed audience of supporters, Trump declared that he is officially launching a new national movement aimed at restoring American greatness and reclaiming the people's voice from the political elite. The crowd erupted in cheers as Trump promised what he called the biggest political comeback in U.S. history. This announcement, broadcast live across major news networks, has immediately triggered waves of reactions across Washington and beyond. Political analysts say this could reshape the upcoming U.S. election cycle entirely. According to Trump, this new movement is not just about politics, it's about patriotism, freedom, and putting America first once again. He also hinted at a major team forming around him, suggesting several familiar faces from his previous administration could soon make a return. In his fiery 45-minute address, Trump targeted what he called the failed leadership of the current administration, without directly naming President Joe Biden. Trump criticized the handling of the economy, rising inflation, border issues, and foreign policy missteps. He said, "Our country is no longer respected, our people are struggling, and our enemies are laughing. But we will make America strong again, proud again, and free again." The former president's announcement comes amid intense speculation about his 2024 campaign strategy and growing concerns about political polarization in the U.S. Sources close to Trump suggest that this new initiative could serve as both a political platform and a rallying force for his potential presidential run. His supporters describe it as a movement for the people, while critics call it a dangerous return to division. Within hours of his speech, social media exploded with millions of posts under hashtags like #TrumpAnnouncement, #MakeAmericaGreatAgain, and #TrumpLive. Supporters shared clips of Trump's passionate statements, while opponents expressed fear that his return could reignite political unrest. The White House has yet to officially respond, but several Democratic leaders have already dismissed Trump's announcement as nothing new and accused him of recycling old promises with no real plan. Still, Trump's influence within the Republican Party remains undeniable. Several prominent GOP figures, including governors and members of Congress, have expressed their support for his message. Reports suggest that Trump's inner circle is already planning a series of rallies across key battleground states in the coming weeks, signaling a major push to regain momentum before the election season fully kicks in. Political experts are calling this announcement one of Trump's boldest moves since leaving office, while his opponents argue that his rhetoric fuels division. His supporters insist that Trump remains the only leader capable of challenging what they describe as a corrupt political establishment. One thing is clear: Trump's latest move has reignited America. as most polarizing debate and set the stage for another high-stakes political showdown. As the nation reacts, questions remain. Will Trump's new movement translate into a 2024 presidential run? Can he unite his fractured base and attract moderate voters once again? For now, Trump seems confident, promising that this is just the beginning of something historic. The United States once again finds itself watching Donald Trump in the spotlight, live, unpredictable and ready to change the course of American politics.